Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export JPEG in Davinci Resolve. The quickest method is that you grab a single frame for a thumbnail or reference while staying on the edit or color page. Position the playhead over the exact frame you want to export. Then go here at the top left to the file and then click export. Current frame as still. Let's select this one here, export, just like that. Now let me show you that this really happened. So as you can see now here, we have our picture right here. Pretty straightforward, I think. Now, if you need every frame of a clip or timeline saved as an individual JPEG file, you can use the delivery page. So if we go here to the rocket icon, just like that. And now here in the render settings, select the video here. Export format, and now select to the JPEG. Ensure the resolution matches your project. Right here. And to render queue and click render all. So now we can go here to the add render queue and render this one. And yeah, this will create one JPEG file for every single frame in your selected range, which can take up significant storage space. You need to know that. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.